Welcome to BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. We are looking at a short story. And the thing about a short story is that, as we said before, it's meant to entertain. But you don't just jump into a short story. They give you a stimulus, a question that we need to write our story based on. And the thing is, the story has what we call elements. Elements refers to things, ingredients that make up the short story. And there are 6 elements in the short story. Let's take a look at that. 1. Plot. Plot refers to the incidents in a short story. What happens that leads to something else, that leads to something else, that leads to the end of the story. In a short story as well, we have character. It's the second element. Character or characters refer to the people in the story, the people who are involved in the incidents of the story. A third element is setting. Where does the story take place? Does it take place in a room? Does it take place on the moon, under the sea, in a forest? Setting, very important. It's where the story takes place. The fourth element is theme. Theme refers to the main idea behind the story. Is it good versus evil? Is it about somebody becoming a hero? Okay, is it about friendship? There must be some idea behind the story. A fifth element is point of view. That refers to how we write the story. Are we a character in the story? Am I saying that I was the one who did everything? Or are we writing about somebody, about a person, John or Jenny, whoever? A sixth element of story is descriptive language, making sure that the reader experience what you want them to experience. They can see, hear, smell, touch, and taste what is happening in the story. So these are the 6 elements of the short story, and we'll be looking at them next session. Thank you for choosing BetterGradesFast.com. See you soon.